Okay, in this question, see, the following table shows the points of each player scored in the 4 games. So first one, see, in game 1, player A played in game 1 and he scored 14 points, and in game 2 he scored 16 points, and in game 3 he scored 10 points, and game 4 10 points. Clear? So again similarly, see, in player B, he played first game, that is scored 0, and in the second game 8 points, and in the third game 6 points, and game 4 is 4 points. Clear? So now player C, he played first game is scored 8 points, 11 points, and in the third game he did not play. Third game he did not play, and fourth game in that he scored 13 points. Clear? Now the question is, first one, yesterday we solved first question, that is finding average of player A. Clear? How much he scored, that will be able to find. So now second question, to find the mean number of points per game C. Per game C. Clear? Okay, this is the game C. In that, would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4? And the one more question, why we are dividing by 3 or by 4? So first, see, player C, he played in only in 3 games, right? In third game he did not play. Third game he did not play. He played first, second, and fourth game. So now what we have to find? We have to find average score of C, player C. That means mean. We have to find the mean of player C. Therefore, see, second question, mean of score C, or you can write mean, or you can write average. Okay. Average is equal to, so how many games he played? First, second, and fourth game. So add 8 plus 11 plus, and one more last one is 13 divided by number of terms. He played in 3 games, so number of terms is 3. So we cannot write 4 because 4 games are there, but third game he did not play. So we cannot consider this, isn't it? We can consider only 3 games, that is first, second, and fourth game. So that is number of terms. Now what we have to do? Sum of the observations, that is in the numerator, and number of terms. Number of terms you must write in the denominator. Clear? So now see, if you add this, you get 8 plus 11 plus 13. So 8 plus 1, that is 9. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. So 1 remaining. So add here 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we get 32. So 32 divided by 3. 32 divided by 3. So if you divide this, we get answer. You can divide directly, or by division method we can find the answer. That means 32 is a dividend and 3 is a divisor. Clear? So now divide 32 by 3. So you will get answer 3. How much are 3? 3 ones are 3. Clear? So 3 ones are 3. So if you subtract, you will get 0. Okay? Next, 3 how much are 2? Is it possible? Can you divide 2? No. Then what you have to do? You have to take your 0. So then you can take, then it will become 20. Okay? So 10, 3 ones are 3. So next 3 how much are 2? 3 does not divide 2. So you have to take here 0. So next 3 how much are 2? Is not possible. So write decimal point. So we can take extra 0. So it will become 20. Now you can divide by 3. 3 how much are 20? 3. 3 6 are 18. Right? 3 7s are 21. That is greater than 20. So we cannot subtract 21 from 20. So what we can write? 3 6 are 18. So 20 minus 18. Now we have to subtract 20 minus 18. That is 2. So 20 20 minus 18 is 2. You can divide again, you get 20. So now 3 how much are 20? 3 6 are 18. Again 3 6 are 18. So remainder we get 2. So this the answer is 10.66. 10.66. That means 10.7. So you can write 10.6 is enough. Okay. If you continue, we get 6666. The mean or average of the game player C, that is 10.66. Next, one more question, that is third one. B played in all the 4 games. B played in all the 4 games. See the table here. B is played in all the 4 games. In the first game, he scored 0 point, and in the second game, he scored 8 points, and in the third game, he scored 6, and in the fourth, 4 points. Clear? So now, what we have to find? We have to find average or mean. So how to find? Sum of the observation. Sum of observation divided by total number of the terms. Okay, now A's average is 12.5 and B average is 10.6. Okay, now we have to find C average is 10.6. Now we have to find B average. Okay, so now write B average, B score, B average, a mean of B score, or you can write average, mean or average. So now see the table. In this we can write first game 1 scored 0 point, game 2 he scored 8 points, 6 4. So you have to add all the numbers here. All the points you must add and write in the numerator. That means 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 divided by how many terms? How many terms are there here? There are 4 terms. Number of games, that is 4. So now we have to add the numerator. We get 0 plus 8, 8 plus 6 plus 4. 8, 6 plus 4. Add all the numbers. 6 plus 4, that is 10. 10 plus 8, 18. Here 8 plus 6 plus 4. So we get 18. So 18 divided by 4. 18 divided by 4. If you divide this, we get answer 4 ones are 18. 4 ones are 18. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 18. 4 fours are 16. See 4 fives are 20. We cannot write 5. So 4 fours are 16. Then how much remaining is 2 remaining. So you can write decimal point. Then it will become 20. So 4 how much are 20? Now 4 fives are 20. Clear? So if you want, you can divide like this. 18 and here is 4. 4 how much are 18? 4 fours are 16. So remaining 2. Remainder is 2. Now again 4 how much are 2? We cannot divide. So you have to take decimal point. Then here 0. Okay? 4 how much are 20? 4 fives are 20. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. So the answer is 4.5. So average or mean of score B, player B is 4.5. Clear? So this is what average of A score, that is 12.5, and average of C score is 10.6, and average of B is 4.5. Clear? So one more question they asked, that is the fourth one. Who is the best performer? Who is the best performer? Now we have to compare C, A average, C and B. So we can see that A secured good points, isn't it? That means the average of A is a best performer. That means he scored 12.5 points. Clear? Okay. The next question. See in the next exercise. The scores of mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students are as follows. Clear? So So now see the scores are given like this. See in the mathematics test, they scored this much mark: 19, 25, 23, 29, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, so on. So this is what a scores of mathematics test out of 25. Out of 25, they scored this much mark. Clear? So now what we have to do? So there are 15 students where they scored this much marks. So now the question is, find the mode and median of this data. Find the mode and median of this data. Now one more question, are they same? Because they are, the answer is the same. So question, we have to find mode and median. In the previous question, we understood how to find the mean, average. Yeah. So in this question, the question is finding mode and median. So mode means number is repeated. How many times it is repeated? Most times, most frequently. Clear? Which number is repeated more time? That is what a mode. So median means middle term. Middle term. So to find middle term, what we have to do? First we have to write in ascending or descending order. That means smallest to greatest or greatest to smallest. The number you must write in ascending or descending order. So if they ask to write find the mode or median in the given data, what we have to do? First we have to write in ascending or descending order. The given number, given data, you must write in ascending or descending order. So see which is the least number in this, which number is the smallest, that is 9, correct? No, 5 is smallest. So write 5, write like this. I write in ascending order. So ascending order, that is first one 5, next number is that is 9, correct? 9, next 10, next that is 12, is it correct? 5, 10, 5, 9, 10, next it is 12, the next number is 16, 16, next 19, next number is 20, 20 how many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write 4 times, clear? So 20, 20, 20. So next number is 24. So before 24, here we can see the smallest number is 23, clear? So 23, 24, next number is 24 only one time, right? So repeated only one time. The next number is 25. 25 is appear 2 times, right? 1 and 2. So 25, 25. 25, 25. So they said there are 15 students. Now you can count and see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So one number is missed. Which number? Say 25 is repeated only 2 times. Then correct now 5, 9. Next number is 10, and then the one 12. 12 is one time. So 16 is repeated. 16 is only one time. Then 19. 19 is there here. And is there any other number? 20 is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now which number is missed? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Okay, we will find now first you write in ascending order. Here I wrote numbers or marks in ascending order. Next what we have to do? We have to find mode. So one number is missed like 24. Okay, next we have to find mode. Mode means most time repeated number. So most frequently, that means the number is repeated more time. That means 20 is repeated. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That is what mode. So mode is 20. Now how to find median means middle term. Okay, so median is equal to or middle term. See this is the first term and last term is this, correct? So next term is your 9 and here we can see 25. So here 10 and here this 20, 24 or 20, 12, 23, 16, 20 and 19, 20. So we get middle 20. Okay, I think one more 20 is repeated. Okay, 5 times. So 1, 2. So middle term is 20. Which is a middle term? That is 20. So 20 is a median. 20 is a median. So 20 is appearing in middle. So that is what a median. First you have to write in ascending order. Given data you must write in ascending order. Then you have to find mode. Mode means more. Most time repeated. Repeated number is here 20. Here next median is a middle term. Middle term is here 20. Okay. Sometimes we get two numbers in middle. For example 20 and 21. In this we get 20 is a middle one. So sometimes we get 20 and 21 in the middle. So then how to find median? How to find? We have to add these two. 20 plus 21 divided by 2. 20 plus 21 divided by 2. That means 20 plus 21, that is 41 divided by 2. Clear? In this question we got only odd numbers. 15 is odd number. So we get only one digit in the middle. But here we got two digits. For example, if you get two digits in the middle, so what happens? Two numbers in the middle. So we have to find the median by adding those two numbers. Here we have to add these two numbers and divide it by 2. We have to divide by 2. That means 20 plus 21 will get 41. 41 by 2. 41 by 2 is 2 ones are 2 twos are. Clear? 2 twos are. So here we cannot divide 2 by 1. So 2 does not divide 1. So what you have to do? You have to take 0 and decimal point. Then it will become 10. 2 how much are 10? 2 5s are 10. Clear? So if you want you can divide and see like this. So this is for example if you get 2 digits in the middle. So that is the method. Now in this question the median is here 20. Middle term is 20, that is the median. Mode means number is repeated more time. So here 20 is repeated more time. So that is the mode of this given data. Clear? Mean means you have to add all the numbers divided by number of terms. Total number of terms. Okay. The next question, that is second one. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players are as follows. Clear? What is the question? The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players are as follows. So scores are given like this: 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15. So what you have to find? Find the mean, mode and median of this data. Now one more question: are the three same? Are the three same? So first what you have to do? We have to find mean, mode and the median. Then you have to check whether their answers are same or not. So now first it is given to find mean. So answer: the mean is equal to, how to find mean? Mean is equal to sum of all the observations. Sum means addition. So you have to add all the given data. In the numerator, you must add all the given data, given observation. That means given score. Okay? In a cricket match, they scored this much points. So now what you have to do? You have to write sum of all the scores. Means 6 plus 15 plus 120 plus 50 plus 100 plus 80 plus 10 plus 15 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15. So all the numbers must write in the numerator. Add and write. Sum means plus. So sum of all the given data divided by number of terms. Total number of terms. How many members are played? Here it is given 11 players. 11 players are played in a cricket match. Okay. So now you write number of terms, that is 11. So if you want, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Clear? So divided by 11. So now you have add the numerator, add all the numbers. So if you add this, we get 429. Clear? The answer we get 429 divided by 11. Yeah? So you can write vertically and add each number. So then we get answer 429. So 429 divided by 11. So now you have to divide 429 by 11. So 11, how much is 429? So if you want, you can divide like this. 429. 11 is a divisor and 429 is a dividend. Clear? So now 11, how much is 42? See, 11, how much is 4? It's not possible, right? So you have to take 2 digits. That is 42. 11, how much is 42? 11 3s are 33. Clear? 11 3s are 33. So we cannot write 11 4s are 44. Here the number is 42. It is lesser than 44. Correct? So we cannot write 11 4s are. So now we can write the number is 11 3s are 33. So now if you subtract 2 minus 3 is not possible. So you have to borrow 1. So you get 12. So 12 minus 3 is 9. Clear? So 12 minus 3 is 9. So what is remaining here? 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So now is it 11 divides 9? No. 11 will not divide 9. So what you have to do? Now you have to take a next digit, that is 9. So what happens? 11 how much is 99? 11 9s are 99. So 11 9s are 99. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 0. So the answer is 39. 39 is the mean of this score. Clear? The mean of the given score is 39. Now the second question is we have to find a mode and a median. First you have to find the mean. The mean, no need of writing in ascending or descending order. Directly we can add and divide by the number of terms. So we will get the answer. That is what mean. Mean of the given data. The one more question is you have to find mode and median. To find mode and median, first you have to write the data in ascending or descending order. That means smallest to greatest, greatest to smallest number. Okay. So now we find mode and median. What we have to do to find mode and median? First, you will write the given data in ascending or descending order. So I will write in ascending order. So the numbers are like this. The scores is ascending order. So right, ascending order. So which is the smallest number, least number? The given data, the least number is 6. Is it correct? Yes, 6, comma. Next number is I think 10. 10 how many times repeated? 2 times. 10 comma 10. Next, so before 10 there is the 8. So write 8. 6 comma 8. See properly. 6 comma 8. Next 10. So one more time 10 is repeated, right? How many times? 2 times 10. So 10 comma 10. The next number is after that, after 10, I think this is 15. 15 is appear. So 1, 2, 3. 3 times 15 appear, right? So write 15 comma 15 comma 15. So the next number is after 15. We can see the next number, that is 50. Is it correct? Yes, 15 and 100. No, 50 next 80 is there. So 50 comma 80 comma, the next number is 100. Is it correct? 100 and next 120. So 100 comma 120. So how many members are played cricket? There are 11 members are played cricket. So now you can count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we got 11, correct? So now what we have to do? We have to find More. More means more time repeated. So which number is repeated frequently, most time. That means now you can see the data. In this 15 is appeared 3 times and 10 is appeared 2 times. Is there any other is repeated? No. Which number? That is the 15. 15 is a mode of this data. So therefore mode is equal to 15. That means that appeared most times. That means we can write most repeated number. You write like this. Most repeated number is 15. Here or frequently. You can write frequently. Okay. That is 15. Okay. Next we have to find median. So how to find median? What is the meaning of median? Median means middle term. Okay. Which is the middle term in this given data. To find middle term, first we have to write in ascending order. So we have already written in ascending order. Now easily we can identify, easily we can find the median of this data. Clear? So more we know that is 15, that is more time repeated. So 15 is repeated more time, right? So that is the mode. Now how to find median? See the middle term of this given data. So now we can consider this first term and last term. You can answer. If you want, you can enter this. And again next term and the second term, third term and this 80, and the fourth term and this 50, next 15 and 15. So what is remaining? Remaining, that is 15. 15 is a middle term, right? That is the median of this data. So therefore median is equal to 15. So 15 is a median. So now we can see, now we compare mode and median. Is it same? Are they same? Yes, mode and median are same. But mean we got 39, it's not same. Okay, therefore we can say that mode of the data is equal to median of the data. Both are same. We got 15 and 15, right? So this the one more question they asked. Find the mean, mode, median of this data. Then on the question, are the three are same? So no, three are not same. Only mode and median values are same. Clear? Yes. Thank you.